My mobile detailing people, welcome back to another van review. What it do? Hunter's detailing in the building too. And you guys have been asking a lot of questions about, Hunter, what are you using? They're calling me asking, what chemical should I buy? This, that, everything that you need. It's all gonna be here and it's gonna be in the description down below. So let me show you what we're working with, you guys. Hey, showstopper right here, you guys. I'm thankful for this setup. People come up and ask for cards. People come up and ask for the website. People come up and ask for work. This is it right here, you guys. So first of all, let me start with the vacuum. 50-foot hose. I don't have to pull my vacuum out. Then we got the 50-foot. Actually, I don't know how many feet this is. Let's see. Yep, it is 50 feet. I got this from Harbor Freight right here. And this hose reel I got from Amazon also. This one was about 90, this one was about 80 to 100 right here. Then we got the 100-foot hose right here. Then all these are all Cox reels right here. 1, 2, 3. And this is 100-foot. I got this from, just get on Amazon. I don't remember, you guys. Then next up, we got the Harbor Freight steamer right here. This the backup. And then right below, we got the Chief steamer. This thing was 1100. This thing was 100 and something, you guys. But this right here, the steamer, is a game changer. You want to take your shampoo into the next level. You're going to hit it with the extractor, and then you're going to double back with the final step to get up anything you couldn't get out from the extraction in the shampoo. This is going to seal the deal right here. And then we got our 60-foot extension cord. This is always good if you can connect to a customer's house. I got this from Home Depot right here. Then next up, we got the blow right here. This is the air. So this is when you finish cleaning the client's car and you got the excess water dripping all over the place and you don't want it to stain the exterior. You always want to make sure you follow up with that. The customers love to see your attention to detail. This right here is going to make you look good. And I got this off of Amazon also. Check it out. But I got that from Gion to be exact. Then next up, right here, I keep all my, see, I put this right here. I keep all my nozzles and my tire applicators, tape, a couple little stuff up in here. You know, some change in there too, man. Then we got the Tornador. I cannot detail without this thing. Look, it probably. So what this does is it blows like a tornado and it's gonna help pull up all the dirt and stuff embedded within the carpets. You're gonna be able to blow everything to the front, so your vacuum job will be 10 times easier. You can pull the mats out, blow them. You definitely wanna get you a hose reel, and also the Tornador, and also the air compressor, which is gonna power up this whole piece right here. And then next up, let's see. You guys are gonna see why I got the steamer right here once you follow me to the back. But next up, we got where I keep all my soaps at, from wash and wax to Gion pH neutral bathe right here. This is for ceramic coated cars. So I like to use 3 different kind of soaps. We've got the concentrated soaps, then we got the pH neutral soaps, then we got the wash and wax soaps. So it's nice to have 3 foam cannons, but right here I got 2. This is what I use for my body wash, which is one of the soaps, my favorite. The foam action is amazing. Body wash is your concentrated soap when you want to deal with a whole bunch of dirt and grime. And then next up we got the wash and wax. And I get this locally from a place called TriStar. All right, next up, let's see. Then we got the pressure washer. I know you guys seen that I used to start off with the electric. I still do have the Krenzel in my other van, but I decided to go gas. I'm sorry everybody that went electric. Now, you gotta choose what fits you the best. I am gonna get 2 units hooked up so that I can go electric when I start 6 in the morning. And then I got the pressure, the high PSIs for when I'm doing bigger vehicles like RVs and boats and anything bigger, you know what I mean? So this is what it's gonna be. This says it's called the Comet. I haven't had this one too long. Shout out to that man, Streamline. He went ahead and hooked up my setup. Here's where I keep all my all-purpose towels. And I got my towels for if I put any waxes or sealants. I got the fresh towels. Then in here, I keep my ceramic coating towels when I do coatings, applicator pads in here. Then here's where I keep my polishes at right here for quick grab right here. I like to use Roops I got all roofs polished. So if you are looking for roofs, in the description down below, we're ready for all situations and circumstances right there. Then we got our gloves, and we also got our glove holder. Check all these out in the description down below. I like to keep a basket for my dirty towels. And then also follow me on the way out. We got our P&S everything. P&S literally, from express to bead maker to paint gloss to the window cleaner to the carpet cleaner to the protection to the degreaser to the acid, paint prep, brake busters. I got everything just about P&S. That's what I love to use. And also I want to give a special shout out to my man. I laid this to the side. Shout out to my man Chris. He just started his own brand and I wanted to shout him out. Make sure you guys check him out. Exotic Shine. This is an all-purpose multi-surface spray. So if you want an Exotic Shine, it's all in the name right there. Check it out, you guys, show him some love. Oh, and the reason why I got these containers right here is also to separate my towels so they don't get contaminated with dirt and debris. You want to keep those towels separated, especially when you're doing protection on it, ceramic coating, stuff like that. And then I'm going to close this up so you guys can see the logo. Oh, check out the gun, man. This that MTM Hydro. This gun and how it feels, it is amazing, you guys. You won't know until you feel it. All right, closing it up so you guys can see the wrap. All right, then we got the wrap on the outside. We got the QR code, take you right to the website and the number. And then also I got my light up here. So we got fleet work, you know, late at night. And we light up the night. And then we got our signage right here, right to the side. We had the upgrade, check it out. And also I want to give a special shout out to my man Innovated Design. You guys go ahead and follow him on Instagram. Shout out to my man on Instagram, Moonsaverse. I apologize, brother, if I pronounce your name wrong, but I'm pretty sure Ray is gonna post the link up so you guys can check him out. He designed the logo. Innovated Design designed this whole A-frame thing right here. Then next up, we got our detailing bags. Excuse me, we just got done with the detail, so it's not all organized. I keep my scrub ninjas and the quick stuff I like to have readily available to work. As soon as I pull up, I grab this out and get started right away. And then it's a little messy right there, but follow me to the back. So here's why I don't have my generator up front, is because I decided to go with a 9500 Predator. And I know that sounds extreme. It takes up a lot of room. And the reason why I got this is because I always have 2 other people with me or 1 other person with me, and we're hooking up everything. Literally the steamer, air compressor, vacuum, 2 vacuums, whatever it may be, this thing can power it all. So I got tired of waiting. Like, okay, I gotta wait till, or I gotta plug into the customer. This is gonna supply everything. It's a beast. So I don't know anybody else who has this, I'm gonna be honest. But if you got room for it, I highly suggest it. This is Harbor Freight right here. And then next up, we got the IK tire and wheel I put in here. Dope to have this. The foam action is amazing right here. And then I got my 1 gallons in here just in case we run out in the field. I'll run across that for you guys real quick for the people that want to know what we got in here. Body wash. You guys won't regret this. A little bit goes a long way. This is amazing. It's like shaving cream, you guys. It's your concentrated soap. This is the one you want to use when you want to get all the dirt and grime. And then we got our all-purpose P&S. This is also P&S body wash also too. Then we got paint gloss. This is gonna be your this spray shine. If you want to spray, I like to use it as a drying aid. Then we got the bead maker, which I like to mix in with Dream Maker. Check it out on YouTube if you want to know the details with that. We got the Dream Maker right here. And then iron, P&S. One of my favorite products right here, Swift. You're gonna condition and clean at the same time. Shout out to Streamline, wash and wax, degreaser. Then we got P&S paint prep. Shout out to Streamline once again. This is gonna be our leather cleaner. And then we got a special carpet cleaner mix right there. I can't tell y'all about that. We got that stain hunter right here. I'm sorry, you guys. I can't tell y'all when that's ready, but it's coming. It's coming, man. Then we got the adhesive remover. You gotta have this for your tape, stuff that's stuck on the exterior or the windows or whatever that may be. That helps. It's a blessing. Oh, and also that helps really good with scuffs. So if a car has scraped another car and it's a paint transfer, wipe it right off. You don't even need to polish it, you guys. All right, and then we got the Defender. Right here, your standalone protection, or it's your topper for a coating. That's amazing, that's new. And then we have an extra, as you can see right here. Check it out, Reyes. We got a hook right here. And this is gonna be my electrical cord, the extra one, and a vacuum hose. And then we got the extra vacuum right here, the rigid. And I love this one because it's compact, squeeze right in there. So when you bring help out, we can double up on the vacuum. We got pet hair all over the place. Got that from Harbor Freight right there. Then we got our Max Shine bag. And in here, we keep some more polishes. We got some polished pads from Roops, from yellow, blue to white. And what else we got in here? We got our pad brushes, anything involving polishing. I keep it in this bag nice and organized. All right, then we got my favorite thing to do right here is extracting in the car. That's my favorite kind of job, you guys. This right here is gonna be the HP 60 Mighty. This one's gonna run you like $1,600, $1,700, and I wanna let you guys know you're gonna make that back in a couple days. Let's be real. And it's gonna give you a lot more confidence when you go out to a job and be like, I don't know if you can get these stains out. You're gonna pop your chest out like this, like, I got it, don't even worry about it, I got you. Feel like Superman. Anyways, this right here took my vacuuming to the next level. Vacuum Made Garage Vac Pro. Oh my gosh, that stuff will suck your face off, man. Don't play with this vacuum. Sometimes it's so extreme that you'll have a hard time vacuuming because you're fighting with it, sucking the carpet. I swear, I'm not even playing. The 50-foot vacuum hose reel helps take a little bit of that suction away. That's so powerful. But this right here is like $700. You can order it off of Harbor, actually on Amazon, in the description down below. If it is on Amazon, we'll have it in the description down below for you guys. That's the best vacuum I've ever, oh my gosh. Here's another hook I installed right here to be organized. It's my extractor hose and also my steamer attachment right here. Then I got my two polishers right here with the Max Shine polish holder. And then I got my chair for when we need to relax. I put my gas can right here. And also, here's a little cabinet right here where I keep extra stuff because I like to pack the whole world in here, from ceramic coatings to sealants to wash and wax to everything in here. Then also I got my IK pump sprayer right here. Check it out. This is gonna be my pre-rinse. I like to spray this over the whole car so it can pick up all the dirt and grime so I don't scratch the vehicle. So it's gonna be for my pre-rinse. So that's what I like to use, the two IKs. And what else we got? We got some buckets up here with a whole bunch of accessories, from attachments to tools to whatever I want to put in here. And then a lot of polishing pads in here. And then this is my bag. It's called Legend Brands. I don't tell people this, but I went down to, I'm telling you right now, so check this out. I went down to my local carpet cleaning store and I bought a whole kit from red stains to ink stains to rust stains. And I have each individual bottle. See, I'm putting y'all up on game on why I'm so good with the extractions. Look, we got the citrus gel cleaner. And that's the brand right there. See, I didn't even want to tell everybody this, but hey, I'm giving the game, man. Check it out, rust remover. And I'm gonna give y'all one more. Let's see what we got. Then we got ink. Check that out. Oh, that's an upsell right there. You see the kid that drew on all the leather and everything? You can upsell that. Then you always gotta make sure you keep an extra of everything, you guys, from an extra hose for vacuuming, an extra vacuum, pressure washer, nozzle, everything, because you don't want to get caught up out there and having to make a run to Walmart or your local detailing shop. And then here's my brush for my RVs, boats, whatever it is that's big and I can't reach. And here's that's from Max Shine. Then in here I also got, this is for your knees, Max Shine if you don't want to put the knee pads on. I got my Gorilla ladder right there, Harbor Harbor Freight or Home Depot, one of them. And then for the people always ask me this, I forget to include this one right here. This is my baby right here. Dual tank, rigid. Let me get the name. Strong Start. This is a rigid double tank air compressor. That thing's gonna run you about $350 to $400. When one tank runs out, the other one cuts in. You don't wanna get a weak air compressor trying to power up a Tornador. You have to get a strong, big air compressor. And this one right here, in my opinion, is one of the best. Okay. Right here, we got a little brush holder hiding for more brushes, which I need to add more to. All right, so I like to stuff everything in here. I'm working on getting organized one thing at a time according to how I like to do things. And as you guys can see, I like to stuff a whole lot of stuff in here. And excuse me, it's extremely hot out here. And it's many more upgrades to come. I got some lights I wanna hang. I need to have everything out to where I can freely grab. So in my buckets, I wanna get the bucket holder that's gonna come next. So it's just a process for the people that aren't able to get here yet. Enjoy the process. A lot of us are looking at the next person and we're so anxious. In God's word, it says, be anxious for nothing, but by prayer and supplication, make your requests be made known. So don't be anxious for anything, but pray about it. You know what I mean? Pray for patience and consistency, and strive for seeking Christ more than anything, and everything else shall be added. So just keep that in mind. Be happy where you're at and enjoy the process. I'm preaching to myself too. And because we always want more, and you realize that it just never ends. You get one thing, now I want another van. Then you want 3 vans, 4 vans, 10 vans, then you want 3 employees, 4. It just never ends. So we have to be happy where we're at and just be happy with what we're blessed with. So other than that, I think that wraps it up. If you guys have any questions, drop it in the comments down below. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. And if you guys want to see where I came from, check the videos out from the beginning. And you guys have a blessed one. We out.